So hello everyone, it's Salman here. Welcome to my channel Sktechnicalfigure. So today we are going to talk about the new Samsung Galaxy A72. तो फिर शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को. The Galaxy A50 and A70 were different in a lot of ways, and so were the Galaxy A51 and the Galaxy A71. The A7X line featured fast charging, more powerful processors, high-resolution cameras, bigger batteries, and bigger displays. Now, with the Galaxy A52 and Galaxy A72, Samsung has cut short the differences. The Galaxy A72 gets a bigger screen, bigger battery, and a bigger camera on the back, but is otherwise pretty much as the same as the Galaxy A52 as far as the specs are concerned. We can say that these specs include highlights on the stereo speakers, Snapdragon 72-gram chipset, IP67 water and dust resistance, 90 Hz display refresh rate, and a 64-megapixel high-resolution main camera with the zoom stabilization. And those features already make the Galaxy A52 feel like high-end phone. So the question is here, so does the Galaxy A72 does offer the enough additional benefit over the Galaxy A52 to warrant our recommendation, and should you just buy the later and save some of your hard-earned money? Before I begin, I should say that this review will only be for Galaxy A72. Features that are different from the Galaxy A72. To be more precise, it's going to be talk about the zoom camera and the battery's life. As a design-wise, A72 is slightly larger than the A52, and neither phone is too suitable for the one-handed use. If we will talk about the Samsung Galaxy A72, the camera's review, 8 megapixel 3x telephoto camera in the Galaxy A72. According to the Samsung, the same sensors as the found on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. By the way, it's capable of up to 30 times digital zoom. And the picture quality, in my experience, that is offered by the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is the similar. With the right lighting, you get 10 times better result magnification. The photos aren't very sharp. By right lighting, I mean to say that you should take the photos in the daylight in well-lit indoor environment. Samsung also bring the zoom lock feature in A72 update, but out of the box, it's not available. I hope you got enough information about the new Samsung Galaxy A72 and its review. If you had not subscribed to my channel yet, hit subscribe button, like, and share this video to your friends. We will meet in the next video. Till then, it's goodbye.